Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm looking at a very cute LOL mermaids doll. Now these are really popular and really hot right now. The kids absolutely love them. Has a color changing tail, which is really cute. But I want to really focus on is the detail of this doll. The absolute detail on this face. I just want to show you the detail, and the face is absolutely stunning. The eyes, you can see it's got two different color eyes, which is actually very, very different. I like that. It's got some accessories in the package as well. And here is the tail. Now that tail, when you put it in water, will change color. Absolutely, the kids absolutely love that. Again, the LOL surprise color changing tail doll. Really, really cute. Like you add the water, the tail changes. It looks like almost like a purplish color to kind of match your hair. Again, I want you to look at the face. The detail is just absolutely stunning. Now, to get an idea of the size of this doll, I'm going to take some measurements for you, because what good is talking about it, at least you know what the size is. So that's really important. So this doll is approximately, I would say, 7.5 inches long, and approximately the width from hand to hand, you're probably talking around 4 inches wide. And that's the size of the actual doll. And the age of it, let me check. It does this have a choking warning hazard on it right here? Small parts, not for children under 3. So definitely don't recommend this for the little ones. This is 3+ on the doll. And then here is the back of it. Here has all the little information about it. Gives you all just more information about the color changing tail, her name. There's different ones available that you can go ahead and purchase. There are available online, and just a really good overall good quality made doll. I absolutely love it. I think it's fantastic. I think you're going to really enjoy this. Hope you appreciate this review. Thanks for watching, and make it a great day.